Hello again, family, folks, and friends. This is Chart again from Lumaki sa America. On this segment of our roller, we are taking you to Bryant Park in Times Square. This is one iconic places that we are so excited about and can't wait to see. Accompanied by our cousin, Peter, his wife Christine, and their son, Keon. I also want to mention my family. Of course, my Reina, Ninette, my sidekick Renee, my son Riley, and my youngest, Rosie Rosita, which we are very excited and striving rolling to the streets of Manhattan. Our first time in New York really gives us exhilarating feeling, a joy of pure bliss. As we savor the moment, going places, the experience riding, coasting subways and transfers, experiencing firsthand how it must feel living like a New Yorker. I must say, this is quite out of our shell comparing to living back home. Today will be about city exploration and lifestyle. It feels like a movie whenever I see this part of the screen, my screen. It's like doing an action movie.
Stand clear of the closing door, please.
Going around places, we notice that locally, this is everyday transportation. It is wiser and convenient when traveling a denser city like New York. Taxis, bicycles, and subways are the most common, as you don't need to hurdle searching for parking spaces. The best part, everywhere you go is alive and moving. Mesmerizing. This is probably why they say New York is a city that never sleeps. Skating rink. Bryant Park. According to Safari Search, Bryant Park is a popular 9.6-acre public park in Midtown Manhattan, located behind the New York Public Library between 5th and 6th Avenue and 40th and 42nd Streets, known as the New York City's Town Square. It offers year-round activities like free summer movies on the lawn, a carousel, and a seasonal winter village with an ice skating rink and holiday shops. The park features a large lawn, shaded walkways, and is a central spot for both tourists and locals, providing a green oasis amidst the city's chaos. According to Traveler's Choice, the French-style merry-go-round is open year-round, plus a well-maintained lawn with the chairs and tables. The outdoors reading room has picture books and summertime story times. In winter, take a spin on the free ice skating rink. We would have tried to ice skate with the children, but our stomach did much of the talking, instead making this beautiful night extra satisfying with coffee and snacks. Popcorn, chicken, snacky.
City.
Got me my Toscano Italiano Espresso Coffee Latte.
Hey, boy. Kahit ibang lahi kumakain. Far away. Sa Bronx.
Laking pasasalamat namin kay Gipo. Dito kami sa ano to?
Bryant Park.
Bryant, sa 42nd Street, Bryant Wharf. Park. Not wharf. Park. Sabi ko wharf. Hindi pala tubig to. Ano masasabi kina Ma'am Nene?
Hello! Kumusta kayo dyan?
Oh, marami silang pinasyal kami sa maraming area dito, kaya sulit na sulit yung araw. Kasama ang kanilang baby, si Tian.
Tulog kayo niyan mamaya. You're gonna be like sleeping well. Kung makaano kayo doon, sabagay kung napuntahan nyo, either raanan, parang park lang.
There's ice in it. Whoa! Here's a little hint where we're going. We are at West 41st Street. So I guess some of you that already visit New York know where this is going. There it is. Hanip sa hotdog stand, ano? Ang galing ng hotdog stand dito, eh. It's the best hotdog stand I've ever seen. Talagang the anticipated moment, Times Square. Times Square is a major commercial intersection, tourist destination, and entertainment hub in Midtown Manhattan. Formed by the junction of Broadway, 7th Avenue, and 42nd Street, known as the crossroads of the world. It's famous for its bright digital billboards, theaters, and events like the New Year's Eve's Ball, the Ball Drop, with pedestrian plazas created by closing parts of Broadway to traffic. The area is a vibrant center for entertainment, dining, and shopping, attracting millions of visitors daily. Good, huh, Renee? This is what they call Times Square. Well, all of New York seems to be under construction. Maybe in the next few years, this area is going to be more beautiful. And bigger. Guess where we're at, Rosie? Guess where we're at? We are at Times Square, New York.
Dito yung ball drop. Yun yung ball.
Yeah, oh nga no. There's the ball drop. Over here, Ben. Come on. Yeah. Crazy to be. Okay.
Where are you?
Yeah, we're here.
Where's Ring?
Say here, like this, do this. Hands up. Hands up, Rosie. Riley, we're at Times Square, guys.
Times Square.
What's this, Rose? What's this? Times Square.
No.
Oh, we at Times Square. Mommy, where are we?
Picture you po. Times
We're at
Square.
Times Square.
Okay. Come here.
Yan.
Dito.
Mommy, what do you say? Andito na tayo sa Times Square. Oh. I never thought we'll make it here.
It's New Year.
It's, yeah, lamig. Ikotin lang namin. Ikot, come on. Woo! We're gonna turn around, go around, enjoy the scenery. There's the ball drop for New Year's. And here we go. Woo! Hi, Rang. How do you feel about being in New York Times Square?
Well, we didn't go to the New Year's party, but we're here where it was taking place. We're here.
It's taking place where it's actually real life. It's not a movie theater anymore.
Let's see spotlight.
Yeah. This is great, huh? Great to be here.
These are advertisements.
Right.
Advertisement and outlets. It's
Uh-huh.
like the city walk, but more giant.
And guess what? We're going to Jollibee. Look, extraordinary presentation of Jollibee. Meow. There you go.
Thank you, Ate Titi.
Jollibee pa rin. Hi, Riley.
Auntie.
Auntie.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Auntie Tin.
No.
Thank you sa inyong accommodation with us today. Pag-accommodate sa amin at we will never forget. Vice versa, pag meron kayong trip sa California,
Anytime.
anytime.
Kanapa.
Let us know. Let us know. Diba, Riley? Yeah.
Konti lang ako lang.
Kain muna. At this time, I'm soloing my little big girl right now. We're still at Times Square enjoying the moment with my mama, my beautiful mommy. As we walk, we left Riley and Rosie with Tita and Tito for the moment. The night is cold. All we can think about is enjoying the night at the moment. The city life of New York is very much alive and non-stop. Commercial shops and department stores are open till midnight. Restaurants and cafes, foot traffic are operating non-stop. Street vendors and street food are also bright and busy. And automobile Uber taxis with beaming headlights and horns are responsive to eager passengers. The foot traffic in the streets are in and out and left to right non-stop. How I wonder if people ever get tired of this loud noise. New York is really loud and noisy. Referring to loud and noisy, I'm not just speaking of literal noise, but also visual noise. The billboards, the advertising screens and graphical logos with emblems, excessive arts and decor sizes, attention seekers, and exhibitionists are what I am referring to. On a positive side, these noises are what makes a city loud and successful. No doubt, New York is a city that never sleeps.
Really, I haven't seen a Disney store.
Look in there. Hi, Ma. Hi, Ma.
Hi.
There you go. Look, Elmo.
Oh, yes.
you're looking for?
Hindi, di ba? Ito yung pinunta natin sa Hollywood.
Oh, yeah. I remember.
Just gonna buy sauce.
No more Mike stuff. But you lost the other one.
This is small one.
Blind friends with minions? Wow. Seriously? Okay, over here. Unfortunately, Disney Store is closed tonight. Early. I can't believe it. Bubblehead. Oh my god, the baby trunk. Carrot cake. We have our new room tour. We upgraded because we didn't like the first room that we had, but this time it's a lot better. Room 2704, 27th floor.
Hotel room tour.
Look at that, much better. I think I'm gonna sleep here. And Riley.
Yeah, I'll turn the light on. Wow!
And then we have a sofa, kitchen. Oh man, this is so nice. This is so nice. Of course, TV, baby. And we have the corner lot. I mean, the corner area. Unlucky, mommy. For our folks, family, and friends, we hope that you enjoy watching and thank you for supporting our channel, Lumaki sa Amerika. If you still haven't subscribed to our channel, Lumaki sa Amerika, your click below is highly appreciated. Your support will elevate our channel, so why not hit that thumbs up and keep us rolling as we create our next rollers for you again. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for our next roller will be at the Edge at the Hudson Yards with a special guest appearance in our journey. She is a longtime classmate of my Reina and a former colleague, now resides in New York City to assist us in our journey. Hello, Rowena Panlilio, aka Wang Panlilio. Stay tuned.